So you might be trying to figure out how you can get a fake incoming call on your particular Android phone. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to do this, what you're going to want to start off by doing is you want to go and make your way over to your Google Play Store and you want to download a fake call application. Now, there's a couple of different ones that are available. All I did was type in fake incoming call and I downloaded basically the first one that wasn't like an ad. So I just went here, downloaded this particular one, and it's actually a pretty decent one. It works fairly well. So when you go ahead and download one, what you can do, and there's a lot of these to download, you don't have to download this one, but what you can do is number one, you want to change the name of this particular person who's going to call you to something else. Now, when you first get into the application, it's going to tell you to grant permission to a lot of different things. And you want to basically give it the overlay permission. That's the number one thing you want to go and make sure you do. Because if you don't do that, then it may not work for you. So just make sure you have overlay permission enabled, which is going to tell you how to do it. And then you can input whatever phone number you want to go and do. Now, this is some random phone number that you just threw in here. Then you can go and even add a voice. You can set a timer, settings, select device. But if you want to get right into the call, what you can do is you can click schedule call, and it tells you that the call is going to start in 2 seconds. So it's 2 seconds after you basically click it. So you can see after you do that, it basically will go and give you this kind of order layout of a call. So I don't even know if this is actually how it is supposed to be on this phone. But now you can go and kind of wait for it to kind of come through. But if you want to, you can accept the call right here, and then it'll just give you this normal call information right here. You can end the call right here, and that's basically it. So you can just do this over and over and over again. So you can click schedule call again, and it's going to call you in 2 seconds. And then after 2 seconds or so, it's going to jump right in, and then you can go and pick up this call if you want to. You can go and hop out of it if you want to as well. But when you hop out of the app, it stops vibrating. But then when you go back into it, it vibrates, so you can close out of it if you want to. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.